Hey there, fellow learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic that's going to help you become a prompt engineering expert. Becoming a prompt engineering expert. Strategies for mastery and growth. Whether you're new to prompt engineering or looking to level up your skills, this video is for you. We'll explore practical strategies, real-life examples, and actionable tips to help you on your journey. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to prompt engineering mastery. Hey, learners! One of the first steps to becoming a prompt engineering expert is to embrace continuous learning. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. You're constantly gathering new skills and knowledge to become stronger. For example, imagine you're exploring new prompt engineering techniques through online courses or attending webinars hosted by industry experts. The more you learn, the more you grow. Hey, prompt engineers! Another great way to master prompt engineering is by leveraging AI chatbots for practice. It's like having a virtual playground where you can experiment with different prompts and see how the chatbots respond. For instance, you can interact with GPT-3 to understand how prompts influence its outputs. It's a hands-on approach that helps you sharpen your skills in a fun and interactive way. Hey, learners! Seeking mentorship and guidance is a crucial step on your journey to becoming a prompt engineering expert. Imagine having a wise mentor who can share their insights and experiences with you. Whether it's joining mentorship programs or seeking advice from experienced prompt engineers, having a mentor can provide valuable guidance that accelerates your learning and growth. Hey there! Another key strategy for mastering prompt engineering is to explore a variety of AI tools and frameworks. It's like having a toolbox filled with different gadgets to help you tackle different challenges. From GPT-3 to BERT, each tool has its unique strengths and capabilities. By experimenting with these tools, you'll gain valuable insights into prompt engineering and expand your skill set. Hey, prompt engineers! Engaging in practical projects is where the real magic happens. It's like applying everything you've learned in a real-world setting. For example, imagine building a chatbot for a local business to help with customer support. By working on practical projects, you'll gain hands-on experience and confidence in your prompt engineering skills. Hey, learners! Hackathons and competitions are fantastic opportunities to put your prompt engineering skills to the test. It's like entering a friendly competition where you get to showcase your creativity and problem-solving abilities. For instance, participating in an AI hackathon challenges you to think outside the box and collaborate with teammates to solve real-world problems. Plus, it's a great way to network with like-minded individuals in the industry. Hey there! Documenting and reflecting on your progress is essential for continuous improvement in prompt engineering. It's like keeping a journal of your journey, where you record your insights, challenges, and successes. By reflecting on your experiences, you'll gain valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. It's a simple yet powerful practice that helps you stay focused and motivated on your path to mastery. Hey, prompt engineers! Building a professional network is key to your success in prompt engineering. It's like surrounding yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your passion and enthusiasm. From attending conferences to joining online forums, there are countless ways to connect with fellow prompt engineers and industry professionals. By building relationships and exchanging ideas, you'll expand your knowledge and open doors to new opportunities. Hey, learners! Congratulations on completing our journey into becoming a prompt engineering expert. Remember, becoming an expert is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing continuous learning, seeking mentorship, and engaging in practical projects that challenge and inspire you. So, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep mastering the art of prompt engineering. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on all things prompt engineering. Until next time, happy prompting!